It's your boy Zay. This is the Gen.X channel, bro. We back with another video today, and we have a dilemma. I don't know. Let me see if y'all can see that from here, bro. Do y'all see that? Do you see? Half of the lip is gone, bro. Let's get a closer look real fast. Look at that, bro. That is not gonna cut it, bro. It's not sitting well with me. So, with that being said, I went ahead and ordered a new lip. It came in like 2-3 days. Here it is right here. And we finna go ahead and put that up there. So first things first, let's open this box. All right, so I got the box open. Here are the 3 pieces right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of this plastic and whatnot. And go ahead and place them together. Can't forget the screws. And for this project, you know we're using this, bro. We ain't doing too much manual labor today, bro. We're letting the tools handle it. I'll tell y'all one thing, boy. It's hot out here, bro. It's been raining all morning, all day, and it's warm out here. I came out here in between, you know, when it was raining and when it was not, because I'm really not trying to get wet, bro. I really don't even want to get on the ground and get dirty right now, honestly. But to start this off, we're gonna go ahead and take the old one off. Just go ahead and unscrew it with this right here, real easy. So yeah, let's get to it. Go in the car and get this 3M out real quick. If I can remember where I freaking put it at, bro. All right, so now the next thing is we're gonna actually put all 3 of these pieces together. All right, so go ahead and put this through here like it. Put that through there like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the screws.
Depo on the beat.
Next, I'm gonna put the 3M along the spots where the screws is gonna actually meet the car. Off of this side right here.
yourself a question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Oh, y'all see the completed project? The car looking back nice and aggressive again. And I done got all dirty, bro. It's ants on me, dirt on me, bro. Only thing about me, bro, I like working on the car and whatnot, but I do not like getting dirty, bro. Seriously. But with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button, bro. Subscribe if you're new, bro. Come on, man. Share the video. It's your boy Zay. And I'm out of here, man.
Depo on the beat.